Alright, what's up guys? It's about the lightning and storm. So we just went to my neighborhood and about to go over the bridge on a main road. Yeah, I'm filming. And it's about to storm its butt off. Tornadoes have already hit in the back part of Virginia, coming our way. Just came back from my friend Carter's house. Oh God, who is this? Oh, glass. So we're on the bridge over the water. You can get a better look over here. And about to be at my grandma's house. She's like, ooh, hurry up. Don't want you getting hurt. So she had no idea that I was coming all the way across the bridge. And I'm about to be in trouble. All right, bye.